Welcome to Rediscovering Inner Universe. Here I am going to discuss about meditation. What is meditation? The process through which you block your surroundings and reach a state of emptiness that is called meditation. Meditation is the best way to calm the inner turmoil and seek inner guidance. It heals you naturally as the cosmic energy starts flowing within your body. It leads to great foresight, intuitive power, and decision-making abilities. You can tap into your higher level of information and process them to change your reality. We meditate to get inside us, not outside. When you start finding bliss inside, you will never search for happiness outside. The mind is always wandering, and the major purpose of meditation is to calm the mind. A small pine cone shaped organ in the middle of our brain called the pineal gland holds the key to opening our third eye. When we stimulate this organ, it produces melatonin, a hormone that helps in improving sleep, eye health, anxiety, depression, regulate circadian rhythm, as well as gastroesophageal reflux disease. It has been proven that when we meditate, the pineal gland secretes melatonin. Meditation can be active or passive. Active meditation is all about breathing, dynamic meditation, Kriya Yoga, Sudarshana and Shambhavi Kriya. Passive meditations are Vipassana, silent sitting, chakra observation, mindfulness, guided meditation and visualization. In this course, we are going to practice guided meditation, chakra observation, visualization. During meditation, mental distractions like restlessness, emotional outbreak, increased thoughts, and physical distraction like pain in any parts of the body or numbness are common obstacles. Nevertheless, one can ignore them to achieve the goal of being calm and listen to the inner mind. In addition, one can experience different physical abnormalities during meditation. Do not worry, this experience is quite common. Sometimes this may lead to emotional release. You may cry, you may become thoughtless, you may get headache, you may feel heavy or light, heat or cold, feeling of a breeze on your skin. You may sense divine fragrance, different tastes in your mouth, creeping movements up the spine. You may get visions or see vibrant lights or bright colors. You may hear mystical sounds, buzzing or ringing. You may lose awareness of time and sound from outside. Sometimes the body starts trembling or shakes violently from inside. Sometimes you may lose body consciousness, and all of a sudden you may get a jolt in the body. You may experience astral travel or out-of-body experience. As a beginner, guided meditation can give you a real experience of relaxation and calmness within a short span of time. Throughout the meditation, your mind will be busy visualizing things as told by the instructor. It will be difficult for your mind to wander, as it will be completely involved in following the words of the instructor. Guided meditation is very effective and can be practiced by anyone. The only ingredients required for guided meditation are patience and ethical following of the instruction given. You need to be truthful to yourself. In this course, there are many simple and effective guided meditations. Enjoy these meditations and bring relaxation to the body and mind.